where she ejokwa namaki filego. Now, I did not often. Even John can cool name Boshi Katana Bushi, and the man Akpom Basani, if I'm not a post about Senator Ukwuani. Yes, I'm posting that because the nonsense or too much. Actually, John Kundubushi, Ndanu gender endorse Ukwuani. Does it mean that they are not aware that if under the watch of Ukwuani, that 1.3 trillion was stolen under his watch? Does it mean that when married, she could puni Okowa as a governor or making sure she over in the Marutie near House of Assembly? When married, there were other projects that are supposed to come to Ndokwa Nation. If on your Ukwuani a wave, gaso kake, gasa, I didn't try to Jubushi. Onaki can oji kind of the you to document about banning politics. H. She okay. Also, she then she don't you don't have problem. We can back you up. What kind of characters? What kind of messages? I know kind of the where could they go or a go state for somebody to steal from state and oil producer community to steal for one person single-handedly zero 1.3 trillion. And many youth now pusa nekushi if Ukwuani we move. If Ukwuani we move, is that not stupidity? Ego neko if Ukwuani ke yonu from that 1.3 trillion. Ego neko ke yonu. The people going around for rally, posting nonsense on media. Ego neko ke yonu. Remember that the destiny of a youth is in your hand. And whatever you want to become in life, you must go for it. And you must approach that thing and you must get it. Ndokwa Nation has been taken backward, all because we have wrong representatives, all because we have people who never believe on infrastructure, all because we have people who never believe in development. The mindset when now go out to enrich their family, put their family member on payroll, begin to embezzle, why the community, why the Ndokwa Nation that make them who they are going down on daily basis. And you expect people like me to keep quiet? It's not going to work. If I know Okowa, before you left office, you Osife why are you returning back? Okay, now we're tieni, we're gonna get away. Tie, so that Orashi ogekewe. Ya pusashi be impose where we yeni. That was the game. The game was for them to come and support you, so that when you reach their own town, you will not gather them again and impose them on us. And I'm saying to people like you, back to sender. And I'm calling the youth, the sons and the daughters of Ndokwa Nation. This is the time we need to arise. Revolution in Ndokwa Nation. That we need a good government. We need people that will represent Ndokwa Nation and give us the dividends of democracy. This is not of a oyobudum, kobobo oyobudum, oshuruka kembia, koboshuruka kembia. Ifena na pusana na Ukwuani. France enweye. Only an Ukwuani. I'm not talking of Delta State. The resources, the financial resources that Ndokwa Nation winning, France enweye. But still, if France can take care of their citizens without having such resources, and if we can put a structure on ground that everything is going to work well, then you will know that every son and daughter of Ndokwa Nation will never depend on any politician or even campaign for any politician, because on your doorstep you have something that is generating money for you. So why must you be lacking? Why must you be lacking? In 2027, we must take our destiny by our hand. So the youth of Ndokwa Nation should get ready. We should get ready, because this time around, we have been sleeping, collecting bag of rice, sleeping, collecting cloth, collecting t-shirt and cap, and sleeping, collecting brand envelope. And see, our life have not changed. And we are saying enough is enough. The Light of Ndokwa have come to say that there must be light in Ndokwa Nation, and there must be development in Ndokwa Nation, and there must be an accountability in Ndokwa Nation, and there must be a good governance that will make sure that we remember the people who stood in the rain, in the sun, to cast their vote for them to go into office. Yes, we know that INEC will always play their own game, but at least we will stand and say in 2027, there must be a difference, that at least our vote must count.
They say you can fool people sometimes, but you cannot fool them all the time. There comes a time of reckoning. There comes a time for revolution. There comes a time of reawakening. There comes a time for realizing. And the people will say enough is enough. You know, when we say this, some people come to our comment section and say, we are just fighting Okowa because he's talking about Anyama State. We are just fighting Okowa because because of Anyama State. No. Some people even tag me that thank God that Anyama State has not been created. That your IPOB and the Southeast, Ned Nwoko should go to Southeast and campaign. Or we stop it. Politics is not run on social media. What many of you do not understand is that Anyama State is not what people like us are fighting for. It's just a side political movement. Because I'm not a politician. The first thing that we are fighting for is identity crisis. This is the main thing that makes people like us come online. Identity crisis. Identity crisis is the main aim we are looking at for. Not political movement. But along the side comes Anyama State and we plug into it. Because it's another way to make our people free. You know, some people come and tell me, say, you are working with Ned Nwoko, he's paying you. No, Ned Nwoko is working for me. You are the one working for politicians, but in my own case, politicians are working for me. If I switch allegiance to follow Okowa tomorrow, he'll be the one working for me, not me working for him. He is my servant. You people don't understand this truth, and that is why people like us are bold to say what we are saying. Because if anybody is paying us, we can't tell the people the truth. We can't tell the politicians the truth. Edwoko, I'm not working for him. He's working for me. He's bidding what I want. I want Anyama State. I started the Anyama State movement before he proposed it. Our people are the one who wrote proposal and gave it to him. And he decided to run with it. So he's working for us. If Anyama State come today, it is our own wish and demand that the senator fulfill, not we working for him. You guys are the one working for politicians. That is why your life is where it is. The politicians are using you and dump you. But in our own case, politicians don't use us. We use the politicians to achieve our aim. And this is why we are against Okowa. Because Okowa is that politician who is using you people. See now, I said it time without number. Me and Almighty have been saying it that Ukwuani should be the one championing the Anyama State movement more than every other person. More than every other person. You heard the man saying that France today do not have a single mineral resources to compare with what Ukwuani have. But France is taking care of their people. France is a world-class city. Paris, Marseille. Go and check those cities. They are wonderful cities, mega cities. Mega to the bone. Monaco is a place where the rich have yachts that cost in dollars, millions of US dollars. Go and check those cities. And Ukwuani, with the riverine area they have, can be developed to be even more finer and more industrial than Doha, than Qatar, than Kuwait, than Oman, than Malta, than Dubai. They have all it takes. 9 oil functioning well are making daily barrels of crude oil from Ukwuani in Ndokwa Nation, feeding the entire Nigeria. But these people for over 20 years do not have electricity. 20 years they do not have electricity. In that 20 years, 12 years was Okowa. 4 years being a senator, 8 years being a governor. He could not give the people, bringing the crude oil, that the allocation that come to a Delta state is coming from there. He could not give them. His own brothers, this is Okowa, this is Ukwuani, this is Anyoma. He could not give them electricity for 20 good years now, counting. But they are the one Okowa is using to push narrative. He want to be a senator for them again. Thank God that some of them are waking up. If to say now we they talk about, they say it's because you are supporting Ndokwa. These ones are the ones who don't even support Anyoma state initially. I don't even know whether this man talking is even supporting Anyoma state. Whether he's the type of people that say he's not Igbo, we don't even care. But at least as an Ukwuani man, as an Ndokwa man, tell me why you should be Okowa that you want to support again. Why you don't even be your own brother that want to be the senator of the whole of Anyoma? Exactly. Delta North. Why shouldn't you be an Ukwuani man? At least he is from Eka. He has been a senator. My brother from the late one Oboshi has been a senator. Now, Ned Nwoko has been a senator. Anyone twice. Eka. What happened to Ukwuani man to be the senator representing Delta North? But the use and dumb people are the ones supporting their oppressors. The use and dumb citizens are the ones supporting their oppressors. That's why this person posted, he said, because somebody is now saying that Sheriff might help Okowa to have the ticket of APC. Somebody is even Sheriff should be voted out. Their location coming. The Sheriff Okowa should be voted out. Because the allocation coming to this state is enough to do that IPP, step down power for the Okwuani Nation. As we are talking to you, so Ukwuani does not have a good road, they don't have a good water, they don't have electricity, they don't have security, they don't even have a good hospital. No single higher institution in the whole of these 3 local governments. I go lie for you. No single higher institution, federal or state, whether federal of education, whether it's polytechnic or university, whether it's even nursing school. I think maybe they have a nursing school. But that is all. But they're the one using their own identity, playing politics with their own identity. You heard the man saying that all the people they have are those who want to be their own family, finish. No infrastructure, nothing. This is why I'm saying it. Even if you think you don't like Nwoko, even if you think you are not supporting Anyoma State, why must it be Okowa? That is the question you should be asking yourself. Why not the man retire and stay where he is? Why must it be him going back again? Many of you don't know, because if he's in the house, immunity still cover him for not to probe him. Exactly. You think he's going there for your sake? His daughter is already in the State House of Assembly. When marry another person, no, it is a family affected. His in-law is one managing our airport here. He's the godfather that dictates what the governor is still doing, the sheriff. And yet, he still wants to be in the senator. Do you know his pension as a former governor? Do you know how much he's taking home every month as a former governor? Yet, he wants to be taking that one on, putting his own, joining with his constituency money that will be coming as a senator. Is it a family business? Is it only you that is in power? Even if you think nobody goes there to do work, everybody's just going there to do, why not it be you and Ukwuani man? This video is strictly for the Ukwuani people. Why not it be your own brother? Why must it be Okowa? Why not it be your own brother? Why can't we choose a better person? Out of 3 million people in Delta North, so we don't have any, but this now local government do not have any other person. Even if you think he had Nwoko, you don't like Anyoma State, he did not do anything, he's a failure. Why must he be Okowa? You don't have any other person. You don't have any other person in the 9 million people. If you don't have, you that think you know better, why don't you come out and contest let us be that we do not support you. This has been the question we are asking genuinely. Genuinely. Because this is me for you. Deputy Jesus is my name. I am Chukwuemeka Kogolo from Onitsugbo in Anocha North Local Government of Delta State. You can call me whatever you want to call me. You can call me an imposter, IPOB is paying you. But that does not take the fact away that I'm genuinely care. I genuinely make videos to educate you, to ask you critical questions. And when we say that, if you don't have an answer to it, we say you are angry. Kika ndị banya akponye enwe n'uche ọzụainu. Sina nke mmadụ didi ya mu ọzụai, ya mu oshi. Because that is why another man is robbing you. He's now on oshi, robbing you where be ọzụai. That is the truth. Onobuni bo ni uche. Look, even Onyoshi would have known that this person is robbing you. No Onyoshi, Ozuyoshi. Take all their locations coming to a state to the point it amount to 1.3 trillion. If he says he's not the one that takes it, but under his watch, that such amount of money was taken away from our state. And this same person is who you wanted to come back again. I don't know this man, but I saw the video. Somebody tagged me. I was like, wow. So there are people in Ukwuani who understand. And he's speaking our language. Ukwuani also. When they quit for and I know that all the old people in the southeast heard him. Language is in a also. Can have a language. This dialect also can in channel na southeast yanwa. But our major concern now is politics. Why can't you choose another person? In Labour, in ADC, in APC, why must it be Okowa? Why must it be one-man show? One-man rule should not be a thing of the present. We have past gone where one man run the show. Only you will be in power. But you see, Horse Puppy will be a better politician than Okowa. Because Horse Puppy will know how to help people build infrastructure. You might call it club, anything. But Okowa, what has he built? I've said it time with that number. Corruption is not a Nigerian problem. You might not understand what I mean. The reason why we are shouting that politicians are corrupt because now Mumu, they corrupt. Yes, corruption is not the problem. Every country has corrupt politicians. Including China, including America, all have corrupt politicians. But what is the problem of Nigeria is that Mumu, they corrupt. How can you steal, let's assume $9 billion US, and we cannot see any single company use it and build? We cannot see anything. Emefiele own even good that people saw the estate. Emefiele used money he collected at CBN to build, and government sees it. This one that we are chatting Okowa, nobody can tell what even a private say. I collected the money and build a private. Nobody can see any single company that Okowa build. Say he used it to employ youth in the private sector. Nobody can point anything. That's why I say corruption is not the problem. Now that most they corrupt. How can you steal 9 billion and bury it? After so many years, they start stealing money in Iko, start stealing pile of money here and there. They start recovering the money like Abacha loot. When the money is useless to both you and the people you stole it from. If you know you want to steal the money and pile it up, it's not going to work for you and it's not going to work for others. Why do you steal it? Why stealing the money that they're not going to use? So when we say that Mumu you be to be corrupt or to steal such amount of money, we are right. Because it's only a fool, a Mumu, that can steal money that he doesn't need. Steal what he doesn't need. People, they beat thief. You know why people, they beat thief? Because a thief will steal a phone or a laptop of 200,000 and sell it 20,000. That's why they beat them. Not because they stole. If you have the ability to steal 1 billion and went and took only 1 million, if they catch you, they will send you to jail. Yeah, Mumu. You don't know the value. That's That is what we are talking about. That's the difference. You people don't understand. That's why if they catch a smaller thief, they will even set it off. But the big thief, they will not do anything to the big thief. If you catch a thief who stole your car and he sell it equivalent the amount you bought the car, you will not be able to beat that thief. You call police and start dragging. You want to recover the money from him. But when you catch a thief that stole your car, you bought 70 million and he sold it for 700,000, wait till you go beat them because he doesn't know the value. So this is how these politicians work. When a politician steal money of 1 point something billion, 1 point something trillion, and there's nothing, no value added with that money, what do you expect people to do? To clap for him. You're supposed to be pained that your money has been stolen and there's nothing adding to it. If he has used the money to build companies in Delta today, if you know to employ, you go play more than 200-300 people. Some companies of 500 billion project can employ more than 5,000 people. Do you know when you remove 5,000 unemployed youth in Delta, you have reduced criminality, you have reduced kidnapping, you have reduced courtesan, you have reduced Yahoo, you have reduced prostitution. But you are supporting people who do not do any, who does not even do anything. Network, everybody knows now today that he owns a sports university, paying salary for teachers. Students are going there to learn, graduating, becoming a better people in the society. What can you say that Okowa owned privately? Nothing. But we is here trying to move from one party to another, trying to contest so that the FCC will not hold him because the immune, if he be in the office, will cover him. Why did he move to APC? The same thing. I don't need to be explaining this thing to you. No need. If you are angry or you are against Emefiele and you are supporting Okowa, there's no difference. You are just a mumu too. And don't get angry when we say you're a mumu or you're Ozwai. Because your decision shows that you're Ozwai. It's high time we change this modus operandi. I'm out of here, Joe.